The Receivables Insurance Association of Canada has been working closely with the Department of Finance to examine and request a change to the regulations governing the Bank Act. The current regulations prohibit financial institutions from providing recommendations of comprehensive credit insurance solutions to their clients. However, financial institutions in other countries are able to make this recommendation when advising clients on financial matters. The Receivables Insurance Association of Canada believes adding comprehensive credit insurance to the Bank Act will help Canadian companies be more competitive at home and on the global stage.
The regulations currently require a financial institution to recommend only export credit insurance to their customers. What this means is that they're not able to offer comprehensive credit insurance. Canadian companies traditionally have always started off domestically and then they expand globally. And as they get stronger and more comfortable with what they're doing, they look to markets beyond the Canadian borders. Comprehensive credit insurance is important for Canadian companies because it provides coverage for both domestic receivables as well as export receivables. And as Canadian companies grow, they need to have access to both those products. So we need to see a change in the regulations so that banks can be comfortable recommending Canadian insurance companies that provide both domestic and export receivable insurance and brokers that provide these types of coverages for their customers. The advantages to Canadian companies, particularly SMEs and small businesses, is that this type of product will provide them with more financial stability. Receivables insurance will protect their balance sheet. It will enable them to margin their receivables at a higher rate, so they'll be able to borrow more money. They'll grow their sales both domestically and internationally at a faster rate. And overall, the methodology behind the product will provide better and faster recovery of receivables, enhancing cash flow. So overall, the purpose of the Receivables Insurance Association in this initiative with the Department of Finance is just to provide a better opportunity and make Canadian companies more competitive. We are effectively Canadians helping Canadian companies, and we want to make sure that they're more successful and able to really go out and win the game out on the global landscape.